Hey guys, what's up? Thanks for coming by. Happy that you could join us here at Castle Van Adventures. I'm Teresa, my travel partner and husband is Albert. It's been 1 year since we bought our Storyteller Overland van. It's been an amazing adventure, the best decision ever. This episode is the end of our first big trip that we took in our van. It was 2 amazing weeks last summer that started in Tahoe. We made our way to Yosemite, down the 395 highway and hit lots of mountain lakes, and then finally this episode, Zion and Bryce. If you haven't seen the other videos, please check those out. They're attached at the end. We hope you have enjoyed being part of the adventure, and we really appreciate all the support that we've gotten so far. Sit back, relax, soak up the sights, sounds, and hikes through Zion and Bryce, and stay tuned for the end when we talk about plans for future content.
Good question.
Well, the bridge is out, and since we don't do anything easy, oh wait, no, gotta go back this way. I'm trying to get to the other side of the river. Knowing we're gonna get wet, but I don't want to get swept away either. Yep, I'll see you on the other side. Well, we made it across the water unscathed. It was extremely cold and painful.
But fun.
But fun. I'll do it again if I need to. So we're back on our trail looking for some emerald pools. And they're supposedly back here somewhere, so just eating breakfast. Mm-hmm. Hi. Don't worry, don't worry. That's what I love about these national parks. The animals are not afraid of you. Do not linger, rock fall area.
That's good.
Woo. That's cool, the sun. sunset is cool. It peaks.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, sneakers. You know, we probably could cross a lot easier down there.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. This early. The deer in the water. It's a lot easier for him to cross.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh my goodness, this campsite was so much fun. That beautiful cold river that we sat in after being so hot on that morning hike. So we are trying to figure out what we want this channel really to be. When we first started, we were not completely serious about YouTube, but now that we've messed with it and done a few videos, we are serious. We're really enjoying it. So we have some ideas of what we want to do in the future that I'll share with you a little later. But before, I'd like to know what you want to see. Are you enjoying the hikes? Should we do more cooking? Are there places that you think we should go? Let us know in the comments and we'll see what we can do.
Road tunnel clears. Okay. Open yet? It's supposed to be 8 o'clock. Should I give it a minute?
Well, people are coming from that way.
Yes. Actually, I think that road was the road to the bridge, the tunnel.
Oh.
Or the gate was closed. Said, oh, that's fine. It's
I wanted to see
chance.
it.
No.
Wow, this is I'm speechless at how high we are right now. I mean, it's making me dizzy. Oh gosh, my stomach is like doing flip-flops. Yeah.
On the high, just like when I look away or look up or something, I get all
Yeah,
squabbly.
the depth.
Look your eyes out.
I know. I'm scared to walk over there.
I hope you enjoyed Zion and Bryce, both of these amazing national parks. We're so lucky to have these places to get to visit. In future content, we have, of course, a van tour coming soon. We have a couple of trips back to Colorado. One of those is an adventure van expo that we had a great time at. And we had the Ozarks in Arkansas, and many more to come. We appreciate you, and we'll see you again on the next Castle Van adventure.